This forecast is powered by Johnson's Appliances and Bedding, your local independent appliances and bedding retailers. Visit us in store or online at johnsonsappliances.net.
Well, I certainly hope everybody had a fantastic New Year's Eve and you are with me bright and early at 5 o'clock on your Hump Day Wednesday. Yeah, no, a lot of you are going to be sleeping in today, but it's all right. We'll make it through. You can take an extra couple hours to yourself today. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2020. Thank you all so much for a fantastic 2019. I'm looking forward to what this year has in store for all of us. Our big picture for today is going to show you, I have to adjust my jacket there. Kicking off 2020 the right way, right? Dry weather is in control of the entire Mid-Atlantic and Northeast today. Bright sunny skies as far as the eye can see. No issues throughout the Mid-Atlantic today. Let's open up the door and head outside. You're going to be noticing as soon as the sun does come up, partly to mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the lower 30s. I'm going to north factor today of a 6. Pretty cold out to our west. Pittsburgh 27, 33 down in Charleston, 27 in Columbus, but a little warmer closer to home. 31 for Philadelphia, 34 in the Atlantic City area. Let's zoom in and take an even closer look. 33 for Hamilton and Mays Landing, 35 for Millville, 33 in the Cherry Hill area. And as is the case 9 times out of 10, the warm spot right now is Cape May coming in at 38 degrees. Not a whole lot going on out there, literally at all. We might get a few fair weather cumulus clouds to move in later this morning into the afternoon, but generally we are bright. We are brisk though. All right, the winds could gust to around 15 miles an hour, and you factor that in, the temperature's around 44 degrees, and it's going to feel colder. So if you're going to be outside today, make sure you have a jacket. I know a lot of you are probably heading to Brigantine for the annual Polar Bear Plunge. It starts at 10 a.m. The plunge is at noon. I'll be down there on the beach in front of Laguna Grill, so come say hi. Generally, sunny skies, cool, still breezy, and the first day of the new year is pretty decent. Much nicer tomorrow, warmer, lower 50s, west-southwest winds, and about 5 to 10 miles an hour. It's going to be a very pleasant day. As always, stay connected on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's at Nor'easter You can also go to my website, nor'easternick.com, and download my free South Jersey weather app. Here you go with the sunshine on Thursday, but we cloud back up on Friday. We'll be dealing with some wet weather, so don't put those umbrellas away anytime soon.